Hey guys, this morning I thought I'd give you a little walk round of my electric bike which I built in 2017. Now just a little bit of history. In 2017 in Thailand especially, you could not really buy a ready-made electric bike, well certainly nothing like I was interested in. So I did a lot of research online and decided I really wanted to build an electric fat bike. Which I thought would suit exactly what I wanted to do riding wise in Thailand. So researching it well, I decided the best bet was to buy a Thai marketed, Taiwan built Panther Hercules 1 fat bike, which is the bike you see here, but obviously without electric conversion. And researching it thoroughly, I decided on all the things I wanted for the conversion and sourced everything basically from stores on AliExpress, apart from the battery pack which I made myself, and that was sourced from batteries direct from the manufacturer, company called Greatmax in China, and they had their battery cells available on Alibaba. So after a lot of discussion online, they were really helpful. I decided what I wanted and bought the batteries and built them into the pack myself as I made the bike. I'll just put power up here. So this is the display, LCD display, which gives you all the information in terms of the battery, the current consumption, speed, mileage, and various other functions. Basically that is the control center of the bike, and it's operated through this little 3-button control pad. And we've also got an ignition switch, if you like, which powers the whole system on and off as a safety. And we've got what they call a half twist throttle there, so that's basically the electric throttle. And down on the bike, the most important part for me is we have what they call pedal assist, which is a magnetic ring there with a sensor behind, and as you pedal around, that activates the motor, and you have 5 different power levels you can select off the handlebar switch, so that when you're pedaling, it will bring the motor into play. And I normally pedal in the lowest setting, power 1, which gives about 120 watts of electrical assist, which is perfect, so you can pedal and hit 20 to 25 kilometers an hour very effortlessly. And the rear motor, it's a Chinese MXUS 3000 watt Hubmotor, direct drive, no gears inside, and it's capable on this particular bike with a 48 volt battery pack of 55 kilometers an hour top speed with very good acceleration and actually quite good electrical efficiency, so the economy, if you like, is quite good as well. We also have a 10-speed regular type bike derailleur gear set with a 3-ring front chain ring, but we had that restricted to 2 rings. I only use the largest ring, the highest gearing, and the middle ring. Which I'll show you later is where most of the battery pack lies and some other electrical equipment. Inside this little bag is the rest of the battery pack, because the bicycle triangle is actually quite small and not big enough to house the whole of the battery pack, plus the associated wiring and a couple of other electrical things. It has a home built Bluetooth speaker on the back and a 12 volt Bluetooth amplifier driving it, so I can link up to my phone or my watch and have a nice bit of YouTube music on the go. Underneath that little cover there is a suspension seat post, which is makes it very comfortable with a very sprung and padded seat, and we have front suspension forks to smooth the ride out, and of course disc brakes, 203mm diameter front disc with good quality brake pads, and a smaller 160 diameter rear disc, which is very good braking. And then on the back here we've got a nice little box for carrying, shopping, etc. and a matching sort of carry bag on the front. All the fenders, the crud guard, everything I've made myself. That's all from, would you believe, made from Thai PVC water pipe, cut to blank size, heated with a heat gun and flattened and curved into shape. But that's all from 2-inch water pipe originally, as is the frame of the battery pack holder. That's all Thai PVC pipe, flattened, heated, formed to shape, and then covered in carbon fibre vinyl wrap to give it the finish that you see. And it works really well. It's now 6 years old and the vinyl wrap is perfect. No peeling, no flaking. Inside that little box there is a lot of wiring connections, and that was originally my wife's sunglasses case, which she always wondered where it disappeared to, and I never actually told her. It's a sunglasses case that's covered in carbon fibre vinyl wrap, and inside is masses of connections jammed in there to keep them all tidy and out the way. So that in essence is the overall look of the bike and some of the main features. And now we're going to just take the side cover off the battery pack so you can have a look inside, and I'll just tell you what the key things are in there.